5 different ways you can make money. American Samoa: a developer while you sleep. Let's face it, today's generation works a lot. Before we can acquire a job as a developer, we must first do an unpaid or paid internship. But we must also enjoy our lives, take care of our parents, and remember that inflation is increasing, so we should always try to earn more. To get rich, you have to be making money while you're asleep. David Bailey: the most effective method is to generate money while you sleep. And the online industry is making it possible. It does not imply that you must develop many side hustles, as each one needs time and effort. Furthermore, you never know if a certain side hustle will thrive or fail. So, try to create what you love and what you want. Note, there is no affiliate link. 1. Earning with Canva. Some of my friends design websites in Figma or Adobe XD. And the majority of them have no idea that we may utilize Canva templates and adapt them to suit our needs. Later, some of my friends tried it, and their work became significantly less. They can earn more money by selling to their clients because they can easily create designs in Canva. Let me tell you about another event with a website agency. I worked with a graphic designer who worked for less than 3 hours per day. I asked him and he told me that he has a Canva Pro subscription, so whenever he needed to create something, he went to Canva. The next one is by selling templates on Canva. Well, do you know who creates templates in Canva? Designer like us. There is a page called Canva Creators where you can apply and if accepted can money by selling templates on Canva. They are currently only collaborating with a few creators. If you know how to design, you can apply. You will receive an email from the Canva team at some point. I've also spoken with some folks that make money by teaching Canvas to their customers. 2. CodeCanyon. You know how to code and can create websites, templates, WordPress plugins, and other things. You may then utilize CodeCanyon. It is one of the most effective websites for selling your work. Most newbies attempt to create a website for their practice and then delete it. Instead, you may improve it and then sell it on CodeCanyon. Don't anticipate making a lot of money, but it will help you make money on a continuous basis. Similarly, you can visit various platforms such as Gitmarket. 3. Live streaming. I subscribe to several YouTubers, such as Clever Programmer, who educates others and earns money through live streaming. Similarly, I have several pals that live stream on Twitch and can earn money from it. So, if you have something unique to teach, you may live broadcast it on networks such as YouTube and Twitch. 4. Crypto, DeFi, NFT, and virtual lands. Most developers work in top tech companies and even startups, so they can grasp technology like crypto and stock easily. As a result, the majority of developers will be able to produce anything connected to crypto, NFTs, and other trending technologies. You may also be aware that there is a lot of buzz surrounding NFTs, DeFi, and virtual land. And don't forget about the new metaverse innovation. You can also learn blockchain technology for this purpose. And develop a service that the majority of people require. As a result, if you are a developer, you have an advantage in learning about new technology and earning money from it. 5. Selling the products. You may be familiar with Amazon KDP, Redbubble, Gumroad, Etsy, and other marketplaces where people sell their products in order to make money every time someone buys them. My friend John advised me to write an 100-page book and just send it to Amazon KDP. And I tried it, and you'll be surprised to learn that I get a commission from the Kindle every month. My friend George, who has a large Twitter following, had also published his first book for free on Gumroad. However, the majority of customers paid for it. He received $656 within 3 months. In addition, my buddy Alia works full-time and attempts to design t-shirts and pillows. So she put some of the designs on Redbubble, Teespring, and Zazzle and earned about $2,341 in 5 months. Similarly, if you have anything to make, you may do it freely and sell it on many channels. Let's wrap up. Trying to make money and creating a side hustle may take a lot of time and effort. However, starting with a single side hustle and gradually increasing it will allow you to make more. You'll be able to schedule your day and work on whatever you choose if you have a few side hustles. You, too, have a say over what you do. Then it's just a matter of living your life.